Hi, it's Adrienne. How are you doing today? And so I'm back with a spring look and a palette that I got in the spring that always reminds me of spring. And where I live, we really don't get spring until the middle of May. So we all get really excited in March, and then we can't put any plants out until May. But that's okay, because we can do spring makeup looks. And so today I started with a foundation it's really rapidly becoming one of my favorites. It's the Plump and Glow. This one's by Maybelline. I have mine in shade 112. And I mixed the Essence Drops of Sunshine, which is their highlighter. So I mixed these two together to get a really glowy look. Did go ahead and use the NYX Bear With Me as my concealer today. And then as far as what I went ahead and did for the blush and the bronzer today, I used the NYX Buttermelt Face Palette. This came out, well, it was part of their Christmas collection. And this one is called Coco and Spice. And I did go ahead and use this one both for my actual blush and also my bronzer around. And then I went ahead and topped it with this, and being cheeks, I just kept going. So did use some of the Royal Highlighter by NYX as well, and again I topped with this as well. And I went ahead and used the L'Oreal Lake Glass Lumi, and so I put that on the cheeks, a little bit on the chin, and a little bit on the nose there. On the nose. Hopefully that's what this look will end up being, on the nose. And I did go ahead and use some of the Colourpop Seismic right on the high points here. Excuse me for a moment. So that's the whole cheek look. And then for the lip look, I did go ahead and use the Shoddy lip liner. I went ahead and used Maybelline lip liner as well. Or the Maybelline, Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in 130. Sorry. And so I did go ahead and do that. And then I put the e.l.f. Plumper Gloss on the top. So this is how that worked out. And just to let you know, with the e.l.f. Plumper Gloss, or with any plumper, if you put it on while you're putting on your makeup, then your lips will be all nice and puffed up for putting on your lipstick. And this color does come in the regular lip oil as well if you don't like the plumpers. This one is a cool one, but I think it has some of the spicy stuff in there too. And anyway, just going ahead and move into eyes. I got out Sage the Day by Colourpop, which is one of my favorites. And I think I got this in the springtime, which is why during spring I always come back to it. I did go ahead and use this on the crease, really pretty pewter color. This is more of a gray, and I put that in the crease as well. Went ahead and put this on the lid. Then this, I went ahead and put from here to here, and then here to here. I think I'm going to put a little bit right under my brow to go ahead and highlight that a little bit. So, yeah, it did highlight the brow a little bit, brought a little bit more light into it. And I did go ahead and use a Colourpop eyeliner on this one. And so that's what I have as my eyeliner. Again, really pretty palette, really gorgeous. You can go with a really light green look, a really dark green look. You can mix all these browns into it, and it's really gorgeous. Just really think that that palette has always been one of my favorites. And use the Lash Without Limits and the Make Me Brow by Essence as well to go ahead and finish it up. Got out the Morphe. This is a Cloud Light and Sunrise. As you can see, mine is almost gone. I have a backup, but I figured that I would try to, yeah, it's just about gone, to use up the rest around the outside and then break into my new one. But yeah, I like these a lot. And they have a little bit of that lip from within look that I like a lot, and I think it it's a good one for this type of look, which is going with that red brown and the green, and making you feel like a more earthy kind of feeling to it. And let's see, what else did I use? Oh, I used the Caici, and this is going to be their finishing spray. It's in that, it has some mica in it, and it's called their glitter gold makeup setting spray. So it's really pretty. It adds a little bit more glow. So as you see, I keep on building the glow as we go. So more glow here. And then to wake myself up, because it's a wonderful weekend morning and I was just enjoying having coffee and not really thinking about videos at all, I got out the Bath & Body Energy. And this one has the it has some citrus in it, and it also has some ginger in it, and it's just a really nice product. I hope that they bring it back again, because not only is it a really nice scent, but it really wakes you up. It's called Energy, so it makes you go, and then you get up and go and do stuff. And if you need to clean, this is a wonderful one to use before you need to get up and go and clean, because it will literally get you up and get you going. One of my favorites. Let's see, is there anything else in this video? Not really, but what we're going to go ahead and do is I'm going to show you my new studio. It's a little different, actually a lot different from the old studio. It has some of the same bookshelves and stuff like this that you can see that I store my makeup on. Again, I didn't want a system where I can see my makeup, because then if I put stuff in drawers, it just gets forgotten. So I'll go ahead and show you that, and then I think we're probably done for the day. So thank you, and I hope that you have a great day, and I'll see you later.